running every morning at 6:30 a.m. here at this Airbnb in Plano, Texas. We are conveniently located at this Airbnb. We have been, we're right off of this, we call it River Trail. It reminds us of the River Trail in San Antonio that we walked on. But it's more like a creek trail. Anyway, we go walk, I can't talk right now, but it's already 75 degrees out. We try to go 6:30 just to get more of a cooler run in. But this morning, we woke up a little later so the kids could come with us. There's a nice breeze, so that's lovely. And we're gonna go down and, well, we've already been on the river trail, but these kids haven't, so they've been wanting to go with us. So we're gonna go for a run, more like jog / walk, right?
Mama,
Yes.
you think we're gonna see as many squirrels as we saw last time?
Yes, you probably will.
Five?
And there are, by the way, there's ducks and ducklings. We saw ducklings.
Yes! Ducklings!
I don't know if you'll see them, but hopefully. All right, so we're gonna head down this beautiful, by the way, this house we're in needs some work, but this neighborhood is gorgeous. These trees, beautiful. This is an older established neighborhood in Plano, but look at when you look down the street with these trees. So pretty. Anyway, we're gonna head down the sidewalk, and eventually we will hit the river walk.
Mommy,
Yes.
I like the angel squirrels.
Oh, do you? Are you coming? Oh, I guess I need to head back. The kids are getting sunblock on.
Do it with your...
All right, let's go. All right. Oh, I forgot my watch. Usually I keep track, but oh well. Okay. They've already started the run.
Can't stop.
Okay, go for the run. Bye. Let's go. We gotta go for a run. What is in your hand? Gross. Put that on the ground. Let's go. Run. We'll go for a jog.
We're
going for a jog.
Don't do anything.
Look, everyone's going. Catch up. Little guy's trying so hard to keep up with everybody. He's doing such a good job. We just checked air quality and it's not that great, so we'll see how long we stay up here. It's a nice breeze though, every so often, so as you can see. Alright, welcome to the Riverwalk Trail. This is what it looks like. There's a trail down this direction and on the other side of this. Look what the kids found.
Whoa, there's some green ducks over there.
Those are boy ducks.
Mama's watching over her
These
her
ones are the boy ducks.
little ducklings.
You gotta truck.
They're coming on. I want to pick up the little ducklings. Look, Dad.
Look at these beautiful wildflowers. The kids are doing so good at running. Ethan is he's doing so good at keeping up with the group. I don't know how much more walking we'll do. The kids have found the park. This is what happens when you come early in the morning. You get the park to yourself. Always the swing sets are popular. Oh, don't go in front of the swing sets. Go around. You want to go on that big daddy? Okay, swinging time it is.
There's another playground on the other side. Let's go.
Hey.
Ethan, Emma.
Are you okay, buddy? Come on.
One more slide.
Are you okay, buddy?
Hi, Mama.
Hi, boo. family run has resumed. Hope you enjoyed the exercise morning with the Chang Gang, or part of the Chang Gang. All right, have a good one. Bye. Guess whose date night it is tonight, Emma? This was Emma's date night choice, y'all. Highly recommend the chicken. What are we getting, hun? I think we should do the half and half. What is it? The half and half whole chicken. That's what we got last time, I think. And highly recommend. Which one do we highly? The honey garlic is delightful. This was so delicious. I forgot to film when we got it, but this tteokbokki is delicious. Recommend. The chicken here, delicious. Recommend. We got the secret spicy. It's the original. It's hot, isn't it? Emma wants to dig in, but it's too hot. It's hot, but it's crunchy and delicious. Emma, where are we going next for your date?
85 degrees.
This place is a legit 85 degrees. This is better than the 85 degrees that we went to in Vegas. Yeah, it is. Rose cheeseburger. Interesting. What kind do you want to try? Do you want to try milk pudding?
Sounds good.
Emma, how much did you get?
We got
85 things?
Yeah, we got 85 things.
Hello, friends. We are out and about. None of the kids wanted to come with us except for this little girl.
Again.
Yes, her date continues.
That's correct.
Melon. Emma, date 2. Guess what we're having? We've already consumed all the chips. We each got our own salsa. Now we need more chips. Where are they? Okay, bye-bye. Good morning, friends. We are taking a morning stroll. PE class, right, Ethan? It is sunny, but not too hot yet. Still some coolness in the air. I think a cold front came through. People we talked to here in Texas said that it isn't usually this cold.
Yeah, and it's almost summertime.
Yeah, it went from being really, really hot to nice and cool. It actually feels good, doesn't it? It's really nice. It's like perfect right now. Turtle sighting.
4 turtles on
Check
one
that out.
stick.
Got a bird sighting over there.
Good eye, you just spot them. One right there.
Oh, it got a fish. We just caught that on tape, National Geographic. Oh my goodness. What? Welcome to the Chang Gang National Geographic episode. Turtle sighting. Turtle sighting. There's one over there in that.
Oh no, Mama, there's another one.
You found another one?
Right there. On that
Yeah, there are a lot of turtles.
another
Go on these
one.
little sticks. Now they're sighting.
Oh, more
Mama duck with her
More,
ducklings.
More. One.
Is that a mama turtle and a baby turtle? We don't know. I'm gonna guess it is. Alright, mama duck and ducklings going for a morning swim. Okay, Aiden's date night, and he chose Mana, Shabu, and barbecue. Let's go check it out. ice cream. Tell me what flavors.
Green tea, vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate.
Yummy. Hello, friends! What do you think's gonna happen? Yeah, that's right, another adventure. We're ready for another walk, hike. Let's go! And this time, we're gonna take the little pup-ups with us. Yep, the 2 pups are coming this time. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. All right, so we're gonna go take a walk in nature. And she looks like an old man. Little girl and little boy are gonna join us. They're so excited. They're so excited to go for a walk. You ready to go, Bella? You wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? Yeah? Good girl. Like always, we're gonna take you with us on this gorgeous nature walk. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Go out and enjoy nature. It's good for you. Bye. Also, if you like nature walks, give this a thumbs up. Ring that bell so you can get the notification for our next adventure outside or wherever we go. Woo! It's a gorgeous day out. Again. Coming from the AC, it feels nice, but standing in the sun for too long, no bueno. Welcome to the McKinney Town Lake Park. Emma found some duckies. Whoa, those are interesting colors. Wow. Yeah. Bella wants to chase after them. Tuck just wants to stay by us. Let's go. We're gonna detour off the lake.
Follow me.
And head onto the nature trail. Nature trail, here we go. The positive about this is we might be through the shade the whole time, so that'll be lovely. Isn't nature beautiful? Oh, the kids are gonna want to go to that park up there. Now that is a slide. Are you gonna go down? Emma.
It was fun. I've never seen slides that tall.
I think it's too hot to be out for some people. It's pretty warm. Everyone's probably at water parks. Isn't this beautiful though? We are next to the freeway, that's the downside. So you don't have the peace and quiet, but you do have this green nature. Look how fast they run. Look at that. Bella is Speedy Gonzalez. She is a speedy little dog for how tiny she is. Good boy, Tuck! Yay! Good boy! Here they come around the bend. Just around the river bend. Going over the bridge. Let's turn the mic so you can hear the water. Always make sure on long walks in the heat to bring mizu, water, wear sunblock. Yeah.
Tuck was laying on the ground and then I was trying to give Bella water, so then she went and laid down next to him while she was drinking water.
I hope you guys are all enjoying this nature walk in nature amongst the trees, the grass, and the bugs. No bugs, but unfortunately they're everywhere. If you enjoy nature walks like this, thumbs up, like and subscribe, and become a member of the Chang Gang, y'all. We gotta head back to the car because you can only be out so long in this kind of humidity, hotness. All right, there you have it. Our family walk. We brought you again with us. We are hot, sweaty. We had a great walk. Great outdoor experience. Glad that you came with us. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Have a great, fantastic, wonderful day, evening, morning, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.